Tired of drowning in paperwork? Let's unlock the scanning power of your Epson L5290. First, let's explore the Flatbed Scanner. Perfect for single pages or photos. Lift the scanner cover. Place your document face down on the glass, aligning it with the arrow in the corner to ensure a straight scan. Then, close the cover. Got multiple pages? The ADF is your friend. Thin the stack of papers and load them face up into the ADF tray, adjusting the guides to fit. Now, let's head to your computer. Open the Epson Scan software. You can usually find it in your Applications or Programs menu, or through your operating system scanning function, if it has one. In the Epson Scan window, customize your settings. Choose your document type. Select the resolution. 300 dpi is great for documents. Higher for photos. Pick your color mode: color, grayscale, or black and white. And choose your file format: PDF for documents or JPEG for photos. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Scan button. Watch the progress bar as your document is being scanned. A Save As window will pop up. Choose a name for your file and select where you want to save it on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully scanned your documents with your Epson L5290. Now you can easily digitize and share your important files.